Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my Razor scooter, and today we're going to be doing something crazy with it. Alright, so to most of you guys that don't know, we did destroy the other scooter. It was all fried, and I was going to throw it away anyways, so might as well make some content with it. But this one is perfectly fine, and the only thing it needs is a battery, which happens to be the only thing that we're missing. Right here, this wire. But anyways, so we did take all the ugly stickers off of it. And while taking off these stickers, I did realize that we do have some damage. It's not bad, but like right here, someone slid. What sucks is the battery was supposed to come today, but it's actually going to come tomorrow. But it's not that big of a deal, because we could clean it up right before the battery comes. This is the old MX350 charger. And I went to see if it would work. It works, which is amazing. But like, I don't want it to be exposed like that. So this is the piece that we need. And the red scooter that we destroyed, here, let me bring it out real quick. And it has the exact piece that we need right here. I'll take it off. But yeah, this scooter, if we ever do take anything from it, it's probably just going to be parts. This is garbage. And I was going to throw it away, but why not instead make content on it? Anyways, let's get this out of here. Alright, now back to the scooter. But I'm really excited for the battery to come, so this bike can be working and looking good. And so that we could sell it and get rid of it ASAP. But I will have to clean it because the battery's probably going to come tomorrow. Supermotos. Snappy throttle. Clean this up and make it look pretty good. Alright, so now I have a rag, and now let's wipe this down. Alright guys, it is the next day, and I'm going to be cleaning this with a spray instead of just a rag, because this is like probably the most nastiest part. So, let's get to it. Well, it low-key looks more shiny, but now let's get this side. Alright, whatever, let's let that dry. But guys, finally, after a whole day of waiting, the package has came. Now let's unbox it. Alright. Now let's unbox it. Whoa, it's heavy. Alright. The cord. And then we have the actual battery. Alright, this looks amazing. Alright. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see. There's a pretty big battery. It is a pretty big battery. Wait. Wonder why it's not turning on. Okay, here's a moment of truth. Let's see. Come on, plug it. Alright. Okay, it turns on. That's tough. Okay, I just think the battery's too big, but hopefully it's not that big of a deal. Oh, it's so sick. Probably not gonna fit. You know, at least that we know that this thing works. Alright, wait. I'm actually so excited for this. Alright, wait. Yo, it's actually torquey. Oh, that sucks, the battery's too big, but it's torquey, it's actually really torquey. Yeah, the tires definitely need to be inflated. Yeah, I was wondering why it was not working, but then I remember I unplugged everything because I was about to... Whoa, it's like really easy to loop this thing. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's what sucks. Oh, and it turned off. Yo, what? Okay, I was about to say, why is it not working? I'll update you on when I'm gonna buy the new batteries.
Little did I know, we would have a much bigger problem. And this is 5 minutes before I went to the shed and figured out that we had a problem.
Alright guys, so we're back. And we have the harness all finished and completed, which hopefully this piece will be long enough. This piece definitely will. Actually, can't wait to do this. What was that noise? I'll be back when I figure out the problem. Alright guys, we have all the wiring done and the battery. So, let's turn this thing on. Okay. And wait, why is it not working? Here, I'm gonna turn it on, turn it back off. Alright, so it's been a few days and I found out the controller has a blown fuse, or the whole thing might be fried, I don't even know, but it's not working. So we got this new one, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, I literally whiskey throttled that so bad. And now that this works, which is amazing, we just have to put the batteries on the side. So let's go to the shed and let's get this all done and put the cover on. I'm actually excited about this. guys, and after a little while, this thing is finally done. Oh wait. Okay, wait, it's hard with the brake sensor. It's actually really hard. Whoa, almost looped. I don't know why that keeps coming off, but okay, yeah, you can't really do fast wheelies. This thing is finally complete, and it looks so tough. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This was a really fun video to make, and we probably will be listing the scooter, but if you go to my shorts, you probably will see some riding videos on this thing, or wheelie videos. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. This one was a really fun one to make. We are going to be listing this and selling it, but that's for another video. And you will see some riding clips and wheeling clips before it does get sold. But anyways, if you like this, like and subscribe. Comment down below what you liked about this video. And peace out.